In the American Angus Association, we have 23 plus different criteria, from birth weight to yearling weight to marbling, just a list of it that goes on. And we have to try to look at that to marry the breeding of what we do to create an end product. And that product can go to different customer base that we have out here. That base can be a commercial producer that has tiger stripe cattle. They can have Charolais cattle. They could have Hereford cattle. There's a lot of crossbreeding, and that's where we get the heterosis between breeding these different breeds to create a superior animal for food consumption. The genetics that go into each one of us in the DNA is based not just on our parents, but our grandparents, our great-grandparents, and beyond. It's the same way with cattle. And so we can breed to have lower birth weights, we can breed to rapid growth and high growth rates in what we're doing. We can breed to marbling, and we try to gear our breeding on marbling to be in the top 10% of the Angus breed, because our end product, either for seed stock producers or for people that are producing beef, is what people are going to consume. We have to sort of take into account that whole customer base when we breed to be able to satisfy someone that's going to breed in New Mexico, where it's a drier climate, different terrain, versus East Texas or Kansas. Our customer base is really wide, so we have to take into account all of those needs to satisfy the wishes and desires of that customer. It's a moving target. And so I think when you look at the genetics and you evaluate the EPDs on all these animals, we're going in a direction. It's not absolute, and so we have to go down a trail, and we hope we don't get too far off to the right or too far to the left, but that we get to the end point that gets us the result of an animal that is going to be desirable to our customer and to our consumer.